Nice face mask. Wow. Feels like a screw. It's all dried now, so I'm gonna wash it off.
Oh, kitang monger.
I wash my face with just with water in the morning. I don't use any products. I'm gonna use niacinamide. Growing up, I had a lot of acne. You can see this. You can still see the scars. So yeah, that was fun. Usually I use sorry, snail mucin, but this brand, Melita, I hope I'm saying that right. They sent me their product, so we're gonna try this. I like their packaging. Oh wait. Wait, I don't hate the smell. Usually I use products with no fragrance. The texture, it's similar to snail mucin. Yeah, it feels good. My skin feels hydrated. Nice product.
Boss, house we go! Oh, get in, get in!
If you don't do this, don't talk to me. Zong.
Zong, Zoe. Zong.
Sunscreen. If you see this, please sponsor me. Sponsor me. Hi, sisters! 무슨 좀
对，是就是哎呀，是我感觉第四轮。
So cute. Today we're gonna try and make a wind chime, which I saw on an Instagram reel. I have all the materials ready. Let me show you. These are all the things we need. This thread, little ribbon, and I don't know what's this. What's this called? I don't know. We're also gonna use a plier and a scissor. I forgot to mention. You wanna make a knot at the end of the thread. I thought this was gonna be an easy one, but this is me already stressing out. Make sure that you make a knot while adding the rest of the beads, or else it's gonna fall off to the bottom. And that is my first strand. It came out looking so pretty. I'm gonna lay it here. Now I'm gonna make the second strand. You wanna come say hi? Come say hi. Guess who's asking for more food? Me. Something like that.